Yes, now we can discuss about best JavaScript books to master your programming skills, especially the beginners, JavaScript beginners and developers also interesting so much about this topic that is JavaScript books. What are the best JavaScript books to master your programming skills? That is we can discuss now. JavaScript is a programming language that is used to create interactive content on the web and can also be used in server-side scripting. Most of the websites nowadays are built using JavaScript. Mastering this programming language can open doors to various career opportunities in the web and the software development industry. Here is a list of the best JavaScript books for beginners to advanced that will help you become a more efficient JavaScript developer. Best JavaScript books for beginners. What are those? We can discuss now. Head First JavaScript Programming, a brain-friendly guide, first edition. The author for this book is Eric Freeman and Elizabeth Robson. This book will help you learn about JavaScript through interactive reading and many activities. For people who are keen on learning JavaScript, this book is a must read as there are a plethora of games, puzzles, and riddles for your understanding and practice. A second best JavaScript, not second, among three best JavaScript book is A Smarter Way to Learn JavaScript. Author is Mark Myers. If you are a complete beginner when it comes to JavaScript, then this book is for you. This book has various chapters for your pursuit, and after each chapter, you can put your knowledge to practice with interactive tasks on the author's website. Learn JavaScript visually. Author Evelyn Demiroy. This book is quite useful for learners who wish to quickly grasp the concepts of JavaScript. This book explains the principles of JavaScript using metaphors, analogies, and step-by-step activities, etc. And these are the best three books of our JavaScript, including other details we have given here. And then we can discuss about intermediate JavaScript books. Intermediate JavaScript books means it will be useful to both professionals and beginners also. So what are those? These are also around three books are there. That those are Effective JavaScript. Author is David Herman. In this book, David Herman uses realistic examples to illustrate his technical knowledge. This book takes the reader through the programming language on a higher level. And you don't know, then second book is Intermediate JavaScript. So second book is not second. Among the three, this is also one of the book. That is, you don't know JS. JS means JavaScript. Another author is Kylie Simpson. Kylie Simpson. This book is a collection of 6 well-written books for mastering the programming language. This book will not only help you improve your JavaScript skills, but also gain a thorough understanding of the key concepts. And another book, this will become the third one, and the principles of object-oriented JavaScript. Author Nicholas C. Jacques. Nicholas, other name is Nicholas. The principles of object-oriented JavaScript. That is, we are discussing about intermediate JavaScript books. In that, three are there. In that, one of that is the principles of object-oriented JavaScript. Author is Nicholas C. Jacques. The author of this book dives a little deeper into the concepts of JavaScript. This book aims the reader to discover the secrets of how JavaScript works, to build a more readable and efficient code. And advanced JavaScript books are also there. This is also you can refer. That is JavaScript, the good parts. That's it. And author is D. Crockford. The author highlights various principles of JavaScript in this book that makes it an outstanding object-oriented programming language. This book is ideal for people who have some knowledge of the language and want to dig more deeply into it. For that, this book will be very useful. Wishing you all the best. Then by this, JavaScript oriented beginners or developers can refer and can understand the books, and they can select according to their will and scope. Wishing you all the best. Be prosperous.